Welcome to this quick and updated 2025 guide on how to log in to your Amazon A to Z employee account. Whether you're a new hire setting things up for the first time or a returning employee needing help accessing your dashboard, this walkthrough will make the process simple and hassle-free. Let's get started so you can view your schedule, update your info, and manage your work tools with confidence. First is open your web browser and search for the A to Z Amazon login. In here, put your Amazon alias and click Continue. If you forgot your password, enter your Amazon login and put your new password and click Login. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access your Amazon A to Z employee account in 2025. If you still run into issues like password errors, MFA problems, or account lockouts, don't hesitate to reach out to Amazon HR or your site support team. Thanks for following along, and feel free to check out more guides to make your workplace tools easier to use.